Welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today in this session we will be studying about basic concept related to business intelligence. Before starting with the actual concept of business intelligence, let us see what is the core concept of this particular title. So business intelligence is nothing but it is basically a tool, or you can say it is a software which is made up of two components. It consists of two components. The first component is your mathematical model and the second one is different types of analysis methodologies which we can use. Using these mathematical models and analysis methodologies, we can apply these two techniques on our data. The data can be your raw data or it can be processed data. Once these methodologies and methods are applied on this data, we can extract some information or knowledge from here, and we can use this information and knowledge to solve complex problem related to any business domain. So this is a basic idea of business intelligence. So here the overall goal is that we need to try to solve the problems that are faced by the companies using some sort of software. So this is an overview about business intelligence. Now when we talk about business intelligence, here we try, there is something which is known as decision maker, or which is also known as knowledge worker. Now what is the role of this decision maker or the knowledge worker? The role or the task of this decision maker is, he is going to analyze all the problems that are faced by the company, and he will try to generate some sort of solution that can be used to solve this problem. So this is what is the overall role of this decision maker. So let us move ahead. There are two different types of decisions which are taken over here. So first of all, the decision which is there, which is known as effective decision, and the second category of the decision is your timely decision. Effective decision are those decisions which are effective to solve the problems that are faced by the company. Whereas if we talk about timely decisions, so timely decisions are those decisions which are taken in a limited span of time. Using that, we can solve the problems that are faced by the company. This is an overview and or you can say an overall idea about what is business intelligence, decision maker or knowledge worker, and effective and timely decision. Now there are certain benefits when we use BI software. There are certain benefits when we use BI software or business intelligence system in our business. Now let us see a basic benefits which we will get when we use using business intelligence in our system. So there are two scenarios of it. In the first scenario, we will see when we don't use business intelligence software or this system in our business, then what are the things that happens. And whereas in the second case, we will see what is the benefit we will get when we use BI system. So in the earlier case, if suppose there is a company over here and this company is facing some sort of problems, so there used to be a decision maker, or you can say knowledge worker or decision maker, who will give the decision to solve the problems on his experience. So the problems that are faced by the company, that will be solved by the solution that are provided with this decision maker. Whereas, so as per to his experience or as per to the experience of knowledge worker or decision maker, he will apply his own way, his own brain, and he will try to give the solution. So in that scenario, the decision which is been given by him, that decision may be limited decision, it may or may not be a timely decision. So these are nothing but the drawbacks of the company who are not using business intelligence solution. Now let us take the second scenario. Now in this scenario, we have a company. Now this company, again, he is facing with some sort of problems are faced by this company, and now here we have this decision maker available with us. Now along with this decision maker, this time the problems is been again solved with decision maker only, but here instead of providing the solution by himself, he will make a use of this system. Now this system is nothing but your BI system. So he will just enter the details about the problems that are faced by the company into this system, that is BI system, and now this BI system will try to understand, analyze the problem and give the solution. So here the solutions that is being provided by the software is, first of all, there are many alternatives of the solutions that are provided, which means that more than one solutions can be provided to solve that problem. Here the solution which are provided that are more accurate as well, and the third category here the decision which has been provided that is effective as well as timely decision. So these are the three benefit which we get when we use BI system to solve any problem that is faced by the company. So till now we had seen that we had started our session by understanding the basic concept of BI, where we came to know that BI is nothing but it is a combination of different mathematical model and analysis methodologies which are applied on your raw data or the data of the problematic data. With the help of these methodologies and methods, we try to provide some sort of solution. Second, we had seen what are the different types of decision that are available, where we had came to know about effective decision and timely decision. Third, we had seen what are the benefit which we get when we use BI system in our BI system, when we use BI system to solve different problem faced by the company.